Tech Implement Infra introducing a new video on network topology and its types. What are network protocols? Network topology is the way devices are connected in a network. It defines how these components are connected and how data transfer between the network. Understanding the different types of network topologies can help in choosing the right design for a specific network. There are two major categories of network topology: physical network topology and logical network topology. Physical network topology refers to the actual structure of the physical medium for the transmission of data. Logical network topology refers to the transmission of data between devices present in the network irrespective of the way devices are connected. The structure of the network is important for the proper functioning of the network. One must choose the most suitable topology as per their requirement. Why is network topology important? Network topology is important because it defines how devices are connected and how they communicate in the network. Here are some points that defines why network topology is important. Network performance. Upon choosing the appropriate topology as per requirement, it helps in running the network easily and hence increases network performance. Network reliability. Some topologies like star mesh are reliable as if one connection fails, they provide an alternative for that connection, hence it works as a backup. Network expansion. Choosing correct topology helps in easier expansion of network as it helps in adding more devices to the network without disrupting the actual network. Network security. Network topology helps in understanding how devices are connected and hence provides a better security to the network. Types of network topology. Below mentioned are the types of network topology: point-to-point topology, mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, hybrid topology. 1. Point-to-point topology. Point-to-point topology is a type of topology that works on the functionality of the sender and receiver. It is the simplest communication between two nodes, in which one is the sender and the other one is the receiver. Point-to-point provides high bandwidth. Mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device is connected to another device via a particular channel. Every device is connected to another via dedicated channels. These channels are known as links. In mesh topology, the protocols used are HCP, ad hoc configuration protocols, DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol, etc. Advantages of mesh topology. 1. Communication is very fast between the nodes. 2. Mesh topology is robust. 3. The fault is diagnosed easily. Data is reliable because data is transferred among the devices through dedicated channels or links. 4. Provides security and privacy. Disadvantages of mesh topology. 1. Installation and configuration are difficult. 2. The cost of cables is high as bulk wiring is required, hence suitable for less number of devices. 3. The cost of maintenance is high. Star topology. In star topology, all the devices are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. The hub can be passive in nature, i.e., not an intelligent hub such as broadcasting devices. At the same time, the hub can be intelligent, known as an active hub. Active hubs have repeaters in them. Coaxial cables or RJ45 cables are used to connect the computers. Advantages of star topology. 1. It is robust. If one link fails, only that link will affect and not other than that. 2. Easy to fault identification and fault isolation. 3. Star topology is cost-effective as it uses inexpensive coaxial cable. Disadvantages of star topology. 1. If the concentrator, hub, on which the whole topology relies fails, the whole system will crash down. 2. The cost of installation is high. 3. Performance is based on the single concentrator I hub. Bus topology Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. It is bidirectional. It is a multi-point connection and a non-robust topology because if the backbone fails, the topology crashes. Advantages of bus topology: 1. Coaxial or twisted pair cables are mainly used in bus-based networks that support up to 10 megabits per second. 2. The cost of the cable is less compared to other topologies, but it is used to build small networks. 3. Bus topology is familiar technology as installation and troubleshooting techniques are well known. Disadvantages of bus topology: 1. A bus topology is quite simpler, but still, it requires a lot of cabling. 2. If the common cable fails, then the whole system will crash down. 3. Adding new devices to the network would slow down networks. 4. Security is very low. Ring topology In a ring topology, it forms a ring connecting devices with exactly to neighboring devices. A number of repeaters are used for ring topology with a large number of nodes, because if someone wants to send some data to the last node in the ring topology with 100 nodes, then the data will have to pass through 99 nodes to reach the 100th node. Hence, to prevent data loss, repeaters are used in the network. Advantages of ring topology: 1. The data transmission is high speed. 2. The possibility of collision is minimum in this type of topology. 3. Cheap to install and expand. 4. It is less costly than a star topology. Disadvantages of ring topology: 1. The failure of a single node in the network can cause the entire network to fail. 2. Troubleshooting is difficult in this topology. 3. The addition of stations in between or the removal of stations can disturb the whole topology. 4. Less secure. Tree topology In tree topology is the variation of the star topology. This topology has a hierarchical flow of data. In tree topology, protocols like DHCP and SAC, standard automatic configuration, are used. In tree topology, the various secondary hubs are connected to the central hub which contains the repeater. Advantages of tree topology: 1. It allows more devices to be attached to a single central hub, thus it decreases the distance that is traveled by the signal to come to the devices. 2. It allows the network to get isolated and also prioritize from different computers. 3. We can add new devices to the existing network. 4. Error detection and error correction are very easy in a tree topology. Disadvantages of tree topology: 1. If the central hub fails, the entire system fails. 2. The cost is high because of the cabling. 3. If new devices are added, it becomes difficult to reconfigure. Hybrid topology Hybrid topology is the combination of all the various types of topologies we have studied above. Hybrid topology is used when the nodes are free to take any form. It means these can be individuals, such as ring or star topology, or can be a combination of various types of topologies seen above. Advantages of hybrid topology: 1. This topology is very flexible. 2. The size of the network can be easily expanded by adding new devices. Disadvantages of hybrid topology: 1. It is challenging to design the architecture of the hybrid network. 2. Hubs used in this topology are very expensive. 3. The infrastructure cost is very high as a hybrid network requires a lot of cabling and network devices. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my Tech Implement Infra channel. Thank you for the watching video.